Welcome to Honourocean Shipping. Honourocean has focused on the Australian shipping since 2009 with its experience. We handle shipments from many China factories and Australian buyers, including e-packing, express service, from port to port, door to door, Amazon Australian FBA warehouses, business addresses, and private address. Whether your shipment is LCO or FCO from any port in China to any port of Australia, Honourocean team will always provide you the cheapest shipping. First, the cheapest shipping from China to Australia. Of course, it is sea freight. Honourocean cooperates with more than 10 shipping companies from China to Australia so that we can make sure there is enough space in the carrier even during peak seasons and also can supply at more competitive price. Send products from China to Australian FBA location by sea freight can arrange from Port of Shenzhen, Shanghai, directly to Port of Melbourne. The boats leave from Shenzhen takes around 12 days to 50 days arrive very fast. Its cost is around $400 to $550 for 20 feet container and $900 to $1,100 for 40 feet or 40 HQ container, and less than $1 for each kg for Freight DDP shipping, door to door including tax and customs clearance. Air freight from China to Australia. Honourocean offers a comprehensive range of air freight services to Australia with fixed allocation consolidation services. Our general air freight from China to Australia prices are extremely competitive. Besides general cargo, we can also offer inbound and outbound project solutions for large and oversized air freight movements. Conveniently located near Shenzhen Bao'an Airport, we can ensure your cargo arrives in top condition, on time, at a competitive price. We understand air freight customer requests well, so we'll build a global network of affiliates and strong relationships with major airlines, so as to deliver cutting-edge air freight solutions. Its cost is around $5 for each kg or less for DDP shipping. Express shipping from China to Australia. Honourocean can supply express shipping services including DHL, FedEx, TNT, and UPS, and so on. We have agent discount with them at a large shipments, so we can send with competitive price for customer. Express service is door-to-door including customs clearance and excluding tax. How long does shipping from China to Australia? In a word, shipping from China to Australia. Express shipping from China to Australia is about 3 to 5 days. Air freight shipping around 2 to 7 days, and sea freight logistics about 20 to 35 days. When imports from China to Australia, customs clearance is mandatory for every shipment. Export from China to Australia. Honourocean team will guide how to prepare documents for the customs clearance process to avoid unnecessary delays affecting your shipment and ensures consignment complies with Chinese and Australian shipping rules and regulations. Import from China to Australia customs clearance requirements: a commercial invoice, a packing list, a certificate of origin, and AV bill for air cargo or a bill of loading or for ocean freight. We will send customers once arranged to ship out. Please note that you might be required to provide additional documentation with your consignment. For example, a permit, certificate, or license may be mandatory for the goods you will be shipping. Please note that the final cost will depend on the product length, weight, and shipping weight. Last, it is the shipping steps with us. You can follow these steps to make your shipment from China to Australia. Visit our website to get more information. So much for today. See you next time. Bye bye.